EV Light, Guangzhou. Company Limited is a professional lighting manufacturer established in 2014 and based in Guangzhou, a major industrial and trade hub in China. Under our own brand, EV Light, we focus on the research, development, manufacturing, and global sales of professional lighting for stage, film, and television applications. We are committed to providing high-quality professional products and services to clients worldwide. We offer a complete range of professional lighting products including panel lights, Fresnels, profile lights, church lighting, and other stage lighting series designed to meet the diverse needs of large-scale events and film production. Our reliable manufacturing capability is fundamental. The company is equipped with advanced production lines, precise testing equipment, and a comprehensive quality management system. All products strictly comply with international standards and hold certifications such as LVDMC, CE, ROSE, and FCC, ensuring product safety, reliability, and competitiveness. As a cell phone brand, EV Light actively expands in the global market. Through structured management practices, a professional R&D team, and mature manufacturing processes, our products have successfully entered markets in over 60 countries and regions across Europe, Americas, and Asia. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our solutions serve major events, TV and broadcast studios, and film productions worldwide, earning client trust through consistent performance. Looking ahead, EV Light stays focused on the goal to become a world-leading lighting enterprise. We will strengthen our global operations, build proprietary technologies with self-developed technologies, and enhance our full-service support, working to grow into a global professional and innovative top-tier international lighting enterprise.